In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a picture in a circle shape using Photoshop. First things first, make sure you have Adobe Photoshop open and ready to go. If you haven't already downloaded it, you'll need to do that first from Adobe's official website, as we'll be using this powerful tool to craft our circular masterpiece. Now, to kick things off, you'll want to ready your image. This means getting your chosen photo open in Photoshop so that we can start working our magic. Once your image is up and running, we're going to make a circle selection. This is the fun part where you get to decide what part of the image you want to highlight within the circular frame. You can use the elliptical marquee tool, which is perfect for this task. Simply click and drag over the area you wish to enclose in the circle. If you want a perfectly round circle, try holding the shift key as you drag. Next up, we'll introduce a second image as a new layer. This could be another picture you'd like to incorporate, or perhaps a background layer that will sit beneath the circle. Go ahead and open the second image in Photoshop and make sure it's positioned as a layer above the first image you're working on. You can have a little freedom here to play around with where you'd like this layer to sit. Then, once you have both images set up as layers, right-click on this new layer. A menu will pop up offering several options, and you'll want to select Create Clipping Mask. This is the magic moment where your circle selection becomes the star of the show. Your top layer will now be masked to fit the shape of the circle you've drawn, meaning it shows only within that circular boundary. It's like hidden parts are magically erased, leaving you with the perfect circular image combination. And there you have it, your picture beautifully fitted within a circle using Photoshop. Feel free to adjust and perfect as needed. You may want to add a few finishing touches like a stroke around the circle for a bolder definition, or tweak the position to get everything just right. Whether it's for a profile picture, a design project, or just a creative expression, this technique simply transforms how you present images. Practice a few times and you'll master this handy skill in no time, adding a professional touch to your projects. Thank you for following along. I hope you found this guide helpful, and happy editing.